Here's a short video that goes along with the zip file that is provided at the link in the email. The reason why I thought it'd be useful is just to show you the data that's in the file and how to use it. There are KMZ files and then associated data that will explain the different models that we used. So first of all, at the top here with the Sommerfeld full network valley bottom, VB for valley bottom. And what's in here is, because of a limitation of Google Earth in allowing you only to bring in 30,000 vertices per file, we've kind of clipped it into different areas. So there's a really big file, and hence the link instead of just attaching it in the email. And then beyond the valley bottom, we have these geologic units that Jack and I worked on pulling together. So we have the marine deposits, we got slope wash areas, and then the alluvium. And just to show, you can toggle off these different groups and work on it individually, or you can have everything up at once. But one thing you'll notice is the legends are a little funky when you do that, and so you might need to just toggle them off just to see the legend. So it's kind of useful if you can have the alluvium on. We'll turn out the valley bottom for a minute. We can loop the slope wash areas and then the marine deposits. Potentially how these could be interacting. Well, here, marine deposits, there you go. So maybe some segues into the river area as far as these geologies that might be high salt content. So then we also have the riparian condition assessment tools down here, and this is a radial button where we can bring in, so in these we have 3 different models we're looking at. We're looking at riparian vegetation departure from historic, riparian vegetation conversion type, what that area is converted to, and then lastly we have a condition assessment for the riparian areas. And so these are all on the Lion network. I provided some documentation, just a short little fact sheet on these different tools and how to interpret the data. One thing I was hoping is some of the intermediates to be included, but I've had problems getting these large rasters, these image files in Google Earth so you can see the imagery behind it. Hopefully I'll be able to work through that in the coming weeks, but last week I was unable to do it. Okay, so that's the gist of what I wanted to show you, is just that once you open up the zip file, there'll be a series of KMZ files that you can open up in Google Earth and use them as you see fit. All right, thank you.